Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So you can probably already tell by the title, got the bike back. Hopefully it's running right. I don't even know yet because I haven't rode it. So I picked it up from the dealer yesterday. I'll tell you what they did after we ride it, and hopefully it works right. So I'll toss on the GoPro and let's go for a rip. Alright guys, we're out here riding the bike. So far it seems pretty good. So as you guys know, it was popping a code because the light on the handlebars was on. So at the dealer they checked it. They said it was the map sensor was like saying that there was a vacuum leak, but they checked it. They said there was no vacuum leak. All the lines looked good and whatnot. So they didn't find anything there. As far as they saw, the bike looked fine. I also had them check the valves. The valves were out of clearance by one shim. 3 of them were out of clearance by one shim. The 4th one was fine. So they adjusted those, but that shouldn't have been causing the bike to bog. But when I was talking to the guy, he said so I told him I was running T4, which is supposed to be a pour-in replacement for pump gas. He said he had another guy with a 19 CRF250 that had an issue with T4. So we swapped out the gas, put pump gas back in, and as of right now, the bike is running fine. No bog, it's running perfect. So maybe that was the issue, the T4. It's supposed to be good gas. It's supposed to be fine to just pour and go. But I think that was my issue. So if you have a 19 CRF, I guess don't run T4. Maybe it will be all right if you get the bike remapped, but as of now, I'm back to pump gas. I just run 93 octane. But that's about it. So far the bike's running good. I'll get a few more GoPro clips and whatnot. And we're also going to be riding Tom's little DRZ 125. That thing's pretty sick. that will be in a different video. So be sure to subscribe if you're not already, if you want to see me rip that thing. But I'll see you guys back on the GoPro. Crazy. All right, guys, so I don't know how much GoPro you guys got to see. The battery kept dying, but the bike seems to be running mint. So like I said, the dealer didn't find anything except they said try changing the gas, and I changed the gas, and so far so good. It's running great. So I guess I just gotta stick to 93 and forget the T4. The dealer did say T4 is a great fuel and they recommend to run it in other stock bikes. But for whatever reason, the Honda doesn't like it. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. And if you guys want to see the video of us ripping the little DRZ 125, be sure to subscribe. That will be in the next video. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Deuces.